Hello from IcloneFun. Now us Iclone, Blender, C4D and 3ds Max users have a new invention that will help our post-processing. Imagine taking an animated video and let's say there is someone running or dancing. In the past, if you wanted to copy that character or remove that running dancing character out of the video, you would have to roto mask very slowly and very tedious. May spend many hours rotoing the character. Now the new versions of After Effects 17.5 and the new version of Davinci Resolve 17, yes, the free version is amazing. Offer basically one-click automatic roto. Powered by the new artificial intelligence algorithms that are very futuristic. If you get a chance, check them out. New roto comes free with new After Effects 17.5 or Davinci Resolve 17. Try the free version. IcloneFun says it's finally here.
On another level. Oh, you can talk all you want. See me as a prayer, nothing I'm afraid of, and I can have it all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.